Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alamosa Park Elementary School, my second visit this school year. Home of the Hawks. I got to address the AM/PM students and staff again today here in the MPR. And the focus for today's talk was on perseverance, right? Having a growth mindset. And so I really tried to push the power of our minds, right? That we can always persevere, keep pushing, persisting until success happens. And a lot of this starts right here and in here. And the idea is that, there's so many times that if we fail, we think we're a failure. If we make a mistake, we think we're a mistake. But that just means that we're learning something new, right? That we're just trying to figure out a different way to make something happen, maybe a new strategy or a new approach. And so talking about the growth mindset piece, this means that, we don't have a fixed mindset, that we change our mentality to have this growth outlook, right? Where we're trying to improve every day, where we're trying to not just self-improve, but improve how we treat others too, right? Encouraging them, trying to build them up. And when we do that, there's a part of our hearts that, actually kind of fills up too, because it makes you feel good when you start to help other people. And so through a series of inspirational videos, some more heartfelt stories, the picture slides, the physical props that reinforce all of that, I really tried to have them step into their power, right? And we talked about that we are somebody, like the poem that we do at the end, that I am somebody, and don't ever forget it. But it's this idea that all of us are somebody. That we're all an important piece to this school, to this world, and that starts with, again, understanding our worth and our value, knowing that we are somebody, but also this too. And I had some students that had theirs traced today, but all of us with lines on our hand bring it up every assembly, right? We all have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but at least one on each hand, and that M again stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And sometimes the miracles that we're talking about in our life, yes, are the people in our lives, ourselves, and those around us, but also those miracle moments, right? That sometimes that miracle will happen, just when you think you're about ready to give up or quit, that's when the miracle happens, right? That if you just try that one extra time, right? Just go one extra lap, just do it one extra round, that we might finally succeed, right? So we don't give up, that we don't quit, that we keep striving for success. And knowing that whatever we face, I like the shirt that I wear for this program too, kind of like my Positivity Be Your Best Self Part 2 assembly, but it says keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, so if you're looking down, feeling sad or defeated, it says keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. To always really keep visualizing, success and thinking positively, right? To overcome those negative beliefs, those negative doubts. That's the exercise that they'll be doing this week with the reflection handout that I gave them. But again, how that's going to empower our life, how it's going to just fuel our life. And it's so awesome to see these young minds and hearts, that their hearts are touched, from the stories that are shared, the video clips too, but seeing people at a young age, their age, making a difference, a conscious effort to make this world a better place. So inspiring to people like myself. So thanks for touching my heart. Can't wait to see you all again in May. Until then, have a great few months here at school. Great rest of the school year. Finish strong, of course, too. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.